Welcome. If you want to transfer data from your Samsung Galaxy J5 2016 to other Android smartphone, for the first you have to get the application to transfer data, and I think that we can use application named CLONEit. It's really easy to use. So let's go for the Play Store, tab on the search pool and type here CLONEit. Get this application, and of course you have to do the same on the second smartphone. Let's open it when it's finished. Click allow. Click yes, I agree. And right now we have to click sender on your J5. Click OK. Allow the permission, go back, click sender one more time, click allow, allow, and receiver on your Android phone. Click set, turn on location with this feature, go back and click receiver one more time. Tap to search again, and right now we have to wait because they are looking for each other, and right now we have to click on this icon. It is our J5 Samsung. Accept the request. And right now, if you want to send everything from the Samsung phone, you have to select all of these icons and click to start. But if you want to get some details, you have to click right here at the bottom section, and for example we can send this song over the horizon from the Samsung. So select, click start, OK, and as you can see it's finished. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel. See ya!